as the viewers can see, you know, this gentleman here has a lot of problems walking. And understand that, you know, in the Ukraine 2 weeks ago, you noticed out of nowhere you had trouble walking, okay? So we got that part. But I understand you also went to a medical doctor to check things out. They did an MRI, CT scan, and they found some other things where there was an issue in the neck, not only low back, but neck as well. So can you tell the viewers what's been going on with your hands and your arms? What's going on with that?
Yeah. At the beginning, I realized that there's a numbness in my both hands, and then a little bit I felt that it's a weak. So when I realized that when I tried to open the water bottle, it was kind of difficult for me, and I have like weak fingers and those kind of things. And also, like when I was walking, my left leg started fast. Like I cannot put my step where I wanted. It's a kind of little bit. And then later on, like my right leg started numb and difficult to walk.
All right. The first thing I'm seeing over here, yeah, we do have some structural damages here. This is very obvious to see. We have a lot of degeneration over here, severe DJD going on here at the neck. We also have severe DJD right over here, okay, at the lumbar spine over here, the fourth lumbar over here. Now these nerves over here, that's what innervates down to your legs, also into the pelvis itself. So it may explain why you have that altered gait, okay. And this one over here, irritating nerve over here, fifth cervical nerve, that could also explain why you feel like numbness and tingling, and also tough gripping things with these fingers over here. So with this MRI over here, we could see these are the multiple disc herniations over here, and it's so bad going backwards, it's putting a lot of pressure onto the spinal cord itself. So yeah, these are the fellows. We need to take a closer look at examination, which one we need to address over here. Now, I do see there's this little problem over here in the second sacral segment. So first thing we want to look at is the visualization. We saw in the gait analysis, okay, clearly there's something going on with that left leg itself. But we also see here to the viewers, oh, look at this. This is a lot of swelling over here, okay? We do see some swelling over here, okay? A lot of muscle spasms here. So if I'm seeing a lot of muscle spasms over here, then clearly that means something is disturbed because it's trying to compensate for what's going on over here. And the whole body is twisting like this. So it's twisting like this, and that means the rest of the body is also rotating like this as well. Or it could be going like this way as well. So we're gonna see what's going on at the base foundation, because just like a rubber band, you know, a washcloth, you know, it's trying to compensate for this twist over here. So when we took a look on this one over here, what I'm seeing actually is this bottom part is twisting this way. So therefore, to counteract that, instead of like being twisted like this way, now the body's kind of counter-rotate. So it's twisting like this opposite direction. So more muscle spasms on here. So therefore, now we take a look. Well, see, now we see this big swelling over here. It's all puffiness here. It's also all puffy here too. So we're gonna see what's going on in this region over here. Now we identify these potential areas. We're gonna confirm it with this instrument over here. Yeah. Now the other thing, interesting note is this thing just staying all the way 5 points to the left. That also indicates, okay, we got some core pressure. That means the spinal cord itself is being irritated. No big surprise, we saw that on the MRI that there was core pressure there. And big reading to the right over there. Right over there. See, now there's not much of a reading up here, because again, when you have core pressure, the reading is going to be very, very slight. So it's basically 1 point to the right. Tender right here? Yeah, what about here? Not too bad?
Yeah, no, the right side is like, it shoots some sort of...
shoot somewhere? Yep.
Up, yeah.
Okay. So the right side's worse than the left? Okay, so that's a brick wall. That's not moving. See, now this is moving too much. Yeah, see, that's a 2S is not moving. Pain right here, sir? Yep. Okay.
Yeah,
Whatever.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah, that's a 5. That's not moved too well for you already. How about that one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not moved too well either. Okay. He just sinks right in there. Okay, we'll mark that level. Yeah, this one's not moving at all either. Okay, we'll keep it on that fella. See, there's a huge knot of swelling right at that level. See, that's not moving. Right there, fifth cervical. There it is. Just let it go. All right.
Excellent. Come on up. Okay, go ahead, sir. Walk down that hallway. Tell me, what's different now?
Better than before.
What's better than before?
Easy to move this leg.
All right, great. How much easier would you say right now?
In percentage,
Yeah, ballpark.
I would say like 30-40%.
30-40%. Hey, that's a great start. There you go. Excellent. There you go. There's that fella. Well, how's the hands?
Bit better, I guess.
Tell you what. Here, try to open this. How's it feel?
A little bit better.
How much better would you say?
15-20.
15, 20. Okay. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, stand up for me, please. I'll give this a try.
Better.
How much better would you say?
No, I would say 30, between 30 and 40.
30 and 40%. That's a great improvement in itself. Okay, so we start getting more strength in there. Now, to students and doctors who's watching this, the reason why we want to do the knee chest first is because you have such a significant disc herniation right there, as we saw in the MRI, that we had to correct the posteriority first and the inferiority, get majority of that out of the way. Then next was that, remember, this is in a 3D position, that ball bearing. So I had to correct the lateral flexion wedge on that fellow, and that's what we did for you. Took the remaining nerve pressure off of that fellow over there. How's the left fingers doing?
Yeah, these left fingers are. It was like difficult for me to open the water bottle and feel weak, but now it's better. I would say like 50% better.
Nice. Give it a try. See how it feels.
Better now. Definitely better.
Nice. All right, we'll keep it up. Okay, thanks for the updates.